Hi, I'm Vivek. You are watching EnglishEatsV. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. The eagle. The eagle is a common bird in our country. It is a royal bird. It is a bird of prey and prefers to stay near rocky mountains and in forests. It is generally brown in color. Some eagles have white necks. They are meat eaters and always hunt for their food. They do not build nests on trees as other birds do. They live in small stone cracks in hills near the sea or near forests where they can easily get their prey. Eagles have strong beaks, a little curved, to help them to tear flesh. They have strong legs and talons quite suitable to pick up their food easily. They have strong wings and feathers to help them fly long distances. They have very keen eyesight. They can spot their great height and swing down very fast and pick up their prey. Eagles prey from are good hunters. They prey on rats, rabbits, frogs, fish, small birds, reptiles and snakes. They visit villages to pick up small chicks for food. Once they catch the prey, they hold it in their talons so firmly that it is not easy for the prey to escape. Later, taking them to a high place, they kill the prey with their beaks and eat them. They are very powerful and fast. It is not easy for a prey to escape from the eagle. They do not live in villages and they are not pet birds. They also move in pairs or threes and not in big flocks. They fly at higher altitudes. Eagles are known as birds of courage and symbols of power. Early Romans held eagles in high esteem and their banner carried the eagle figures on them. In India also eagles are highly respected. It is said that Garuda, the first in eagles, is the vehicle for Lord Vishnu. Eagles are known enemies of snakes and some worship the eagles on this account. Rarely one can see an eagle eating rotten meat. It prefers to hunt royally and eat fresh meat always. Many eagles prefer to live in creeks where the water is shallow and where they could easily get a lot of fish, frogs, etc., for food. Their usefulness to mankind is in their picking up rats, rodents and snakes from fields. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.